The dramatic effect rainfall has on the evolution of mountainous landscape is widely debated among the geologists. But now a new research led by the University of Bristol clearly calculates its impact. And furthermore, it also helps us to understand how peaks and valleys have developed over millions of years ago. Well, stay tuned to Gateway to Knowledge to know how a new discovery has finally proven that rain can really move the mountains. This finding was focused on the mightiest of mountain ranges such as the Himalayas, and it can also pave the way for forecasting the possible effect of climate change on landscape and also on human life. It seems like an initiative that more rain can shape mountains by making rivers cut down into rocks faster. But scientists have also believed that rain can erode a landscape quickly enough to essentially suck the rocks out of the earth, effectively pulling mountains up very quickly. Both these theories have been debated for decades because the measurements required to prove them are so painstakingly complicated. That's what makes this discovery such an exciting breakthrough, as it strongly supports the notion that atmospheric and solid earth processes are intimately connected. While there is no shortage of scientific models aiming to explain how the earth works, the greater challenge can be making enough good observation to test which are the most accurate. This study was based in the central and eastern Himalaya of Bhutan and Nepal because this region of the world has become one of the most sampled landscapes for erosion rate studies. The researchers used cosmic clocks within sand grains to measure the speed at which river erodes the rock beneath them. When a cosmic particle from outer space reaches the earth, it is likely to hit sand grains on hill slopes as they are transported toward rivers. When this happens, some atoms within each grain of sand can transform into a rare element. By counting how many atoms of this element are present in a bag of sand, we can easily calculate how long this sand has been there, and therefore how quickly the landscape has been eroding. Once we have the erosion rates from all over the mountain range, we can compare them with variations in the river steepness and rainfall. However, such a comparison is hugely problematic because each data point is very difficult to produce and the interpretation of all the data together is complicated. The scientists tested a wide variety of numerical models to reproduce the observed erosion rate pattern across Bhutan and Nepal. Ultimately, only one model was able to accurately predict the measured erosion rates, and this model allowed them to calculate for the first time to quantify how rainfall affects erosion rate in rugged terrain. This study finding can also carry important implications for land use management, infrastructure maintenance, and hazards in the Himalaya. In the Himalaya, there is ever-present risk that high erosion rates can drastically increase sedimentation behind dams, jeopardizing critical hydropower projects. This new finding also suggests greater rainfall can undermine hill slopes, increasing the risk of debris flow or landslides, some of which may be large enough to dam the river, creating a new hazard lake outburst floods. This will help us to more accurately anticipate what is more likely to happen after future volcanic eruptions and how to manage the consequences for communities living nearby. So this pioneering new technique is capable of precisely determining how mountains bend to the will of raindrops has helped us to solve a long-standing scientific enigma. To know more about such interesting and amazing discoveries, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified about my latest videos.